Welcome guys. So J-Dub here. Thanks for checking out my video. It's kind of a sad day. The era of the yellow neon, I fear, is over. Unfortunately, I think the timing belt let go. Alright guys, so pardon the wind, it's kind of windy. It is Sunday. This happened yesterday as I was going to pull out of my driveway. Basically, went to pull out and everything let go on it. And unfortunately, it didn't want to crank. It cranked, but it didn't want to start. And I'm pretty sure the valves got bent in the head. And unfortunately, it's done. I hate to say that, but I'm not sure what to do with it at this point. But it's all but basically clear that the car is dead. So where am I going from here? Well, unfortunately, the neon's just not worth doing a head and the timing belt and all the other stuff I had to do to it. So I'm going to talk to Mickey, and I think we're going to try to find a nice Dodge Dart or something. Unfortunately, it's just not worth it to fix that car. I mean, I paid $800 for it. I put about $600 into it. I got 4 years out of it, outside of oil changes and one set of tires. Car owes me nothing. So I think we're gonna wind up finding a new car. So let's see what we can do with that. All right, guys. Monday morning. I took work off today, and my dad is on his way. We are going to head down to Louisville to look at this Dodge Dart. I looked at a Dart on Sunday up in Columbus. Unfortunately, it was very, very, very rough. So, yeah, that one wasn't going to work out. There's a few little things that are available. I want it to be a manual transmission. Like I said, try to find one with decent miles on it that's not in terrible shape. And like I said, this one in Louisville, while it is priced a little higher, we're going to go take a look at it. All right, so we're on our way down to Jeffersonville to take a look at this Dodge Dart. It's a 2016. It's gray. It's a GT. Looked pretty good in the photos. We'll see what it looks like. I went and looked at that blue GT out there, Columbus, on Saturday, but it did not. It didn't pan out. It had a lot of problems. But I thought I'd do a little bit of filming, show you guys the experience and everything. So I got Dad with me. He's being nice enough to chauffeur me down there. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully we can make a deal. If the car is actually in good shape and everything looks good, everything works well, and we can maybe make a deal. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So this is it. 2016 Dodge Dart GT. Is it perfect? Not even a little bit. Definitely got some problems. Cosmetic mostly, like the wheel being, but it's not bad. Better than the one I saw in Columbus. The rear tent is all wavy, so that's something I'll have to look at getting fixed, but we're discussing some numbers now. Hopefully we can get a good price. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Just test drove it. Not too bad. Like I said, it definitely is going to need a rear emergency brake and whatnot, so like I said, there's a couple of things on here that we're going to have to get the numbers right in order to justify some of the fixes I'm going to have to make to this, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so basically I bought a Dodge Dart. Yay! Yeah, that's pretty cool, yeah. So, I'm going to go over some details with you guys, and I'm going to do kind of a better walk around than I did at the dealership. This video didn't go quite the way I had planned. Unfortunately, we had to get some numbers and stuff straight because I almost walked out a couple of times. So there was that, but like I said, we'll talk about it, but I did buy it. I'm very happy with it. There's definitely some things I'm going to have to do to it, which is awesome because that's going to be some good content for you guys, and I'm excited to actually have this car, and I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I didn't want a car payment, but I got it down low enough to where it's manageable. And like I said, man, I'm going to bring you guys some cool content. There's definitely some things that need to be done to this car. It's not perfect. I didn't expect it to be perfect. It is 7 years old. A few things most of it's pretty minor stuff, but like I said, I'll go over all that here in a bit. Like I said, but I'm on my way back. It's getting kind of late. We were there at the dealership a lot longer than I wanted to be. But like I said, I'm getting 38 miles to the gallon right now, cruising at 70 mile an hour on the highway. I can't complain, man. This thing's doing fantastic. I'm very, very happy with it so far. So give me a minute here. Like I said, when I get it home, I'm going to do a quick walk around, talk about a few things, and yeah. But we got it. We bought the Dart. All right, guys. So, yeah, on my way to Dad's real quick here, and I'm gonna do a quick walk around the car for you guys when I get over there. And yeah, this thing's great, guys. This thing is awesome. I'm super happy with it so far. We're gonna do a quick walk around and talk about a few of the little problems and go from there. All right, guys. So here it is. 2016 Dodge Dart. Like I said, it is pretty nice. Leather interior, 6-speed manual, e-brake. Definitely one of the things that need to be fixed. There's like barely any e-brake there, so we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah, nice. Like I said, all very nice back here. That's just that thing. I talked to, here's the wheel that's mismatched. I've already talked to Mickey about that. We're working on getting that changed out. And yeah, like I said, guys, this is I'm pretty happy with this, but there'll definitely be a video. The first thing it's going to need is brakes, like ASAP. The brakes on this thing are awful, so we'll be talking to Mickey about getting that taken care of. Like I said, there's definitely some fog here on the headlamps that need to be redone. Like I said, switching those out to LED if I can. I'll be making a video about that. Like I said, the whole idea here, guys, I want to bring you a whole bunch of content with this new car. And like I said, I'm really excited. But the brakes are the big one. The brakes, it's got brand new tires on it. It's got these Continentals. The other thing is the tent. It's bubbling up back here, and when you look through the rear glass, it freaking is wavy as hell. So that's definitely something we're gonna have to get fixed. Like I said, a little bit of this is peeling, but this can be repaired and or replaced. So I'm not worried about that. But like I said, the overall of the car is in good shape, guys. So like I said, I'm going to continue to make videos with this, and hopefully that works out. And like I said, I want you guys to continue to subscribe and everything. This one kind of took me by surprise. I was really not planning on getting a new car, but unfortunately with the neon being the way, you know, just throwing a timing belt like that, not much of a choice. So, but I'm really happy with the Dart. I'm really excited to, you know, get this thing in the order it needs to be. I'm excited to film content for it and bring you guys more content. So there's that. And if you haven't already, I appreciate all the support. The channel's constantly growing, and I appreciate that, and I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions or anything, like I said, leave a comment down below. I try to get to everybody I can. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next video, guys.